Hello, I'm Joel Frane, 39 years of age. I'm working as a captain waiter in Italian restaurant here at Riyadh, Saudi Arabia for 9 years since 2015 up to present. As a captain waiter, I assist the guests with their table reservations and seating and ensure that all tables have adequate furnitures and utensils. I work also in a five-star hotel in Saudi Arabia and also to my country, which is the Philippines. In Saudi Arabia, I work as a waiter in a five-star hotel named Coral Plaza Al Hasa and also Movenpick Hotel and Resorts. While in the Philippines, I'm working at Makati Shangri-La Hotel as a waiter in a Chinese restaurant, and also I experienced to work in the banquet department. Working in this food and beverage industry is so challenging. Challenging because you need to face different kind of guests, you need to face different kinds of people, and also you need to face different kinds of mood that you need to understand. And also you need to serve different kind of food that you need to know. And also you will encounter different kinds of co-workers that you need to understand and give more patience to all of them. This is what I experienced working in this industry. That's all, and thank you.